I get to visit Sandy Bay. It was the hardest hit by the volcano.
Wow, look at all the ash. Went through the house. Wow.
The positive attitudes of these beautiful Vincentian people let the fun begin.
May or may not have a fence with a lock on it, but if they didn't want us to get in, they wouldn't have left the gate to the side open.
If we get arrested, I don't know.
How many people can do this?
Long and hard for King this shitty bride.
I think she's gonna get me in a lot of trouble, guys.
We are Eddie and Cara. We sold everything we owned to buy a boat and travel the Caribbean. Paradise found.
Sandy Bay and Oia, on the northernmost point of St Vincent and the Grenadines, was the hardest hit by the Soufriere volcano. Romancia and her family and friends could not even return back to their homes for 7 months after the eruption. The ash that covered everything, both inside and outside, took months to clear. And the project is still ongoing for the very important Crabby River.
Wow, look at all the ash they had to clean out of here. Man, wow.
The lahars caused huge boulders and tons of ash to tumble to the coastline.
All these boulders are new.
Yeah.
Wow. Tell me about this one. Went through the house. Wow.
And even created extended beaches that weren't there before.
And then, so all of the ash that's on this side over here.
Yeah, that's what they used to fill up that area. It wasn't there before.
So the shoreline used to go all the way to the trees?
Yeah. And it was more stones. All of this, whatever sand you're seeing there, that is not really like the beach, you know. It's ash. Ash make it look like we actually have a beach, but it wasn't like that. It was all stone. All of what we're standing on, it's ash. This exactly what we're standing on, all of it is ash.
And what about the, where it says green and then?
Oh, so we call it big sand. And you can walk from there and reach Spring at my house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can do that. But you notice the way the water didn't gone back. It's the ash that pushed back the water. It was more into the land. That's the only good thing though, because I find that since all this ash, the water get pushed back. It was more into the shorelines.
Oh yeah, look at that. Those boulders were not even here?
No.
Wow.
The positive attitudes of these beautiful Vincentian people warmed my heart, and the ability to laugh and find joy made my visit extra special. It was a girls only visit, and did we ever get into some mischief. The visit to Sandy Bay was not an easy one. It started with an hour-long ferry ride from Deckway. Then, the car ride included running out of gas, a dead battery, changing cars twice.
I cannot make this shit up. Look at this door. This is car number 2.
And a mild fender bender with a taxi driver. But the bus ride even added more to the crazy adventure. But hey, sometimes that's just island life. But I made it to the lovely village of Sandy Bay. Right on the coastline with an amazing view of the Atlantic Ocean. And to see my beautiful friend. Let the fun begin.
Talk about what we're going to do today, boo-boo.
We are going fancy. And then we're heading back to Oia Salmon. I'm gonna take my homegirl here.
Yeah! Because I love her. I love her.
Cara, you're crazy.
We are on our way to see the salt pines and Oea on the northern point of St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Yes, I'm a very bad influence because our idea was to go to the, what are they called? The salt pond?
Yeah.
Salt pond. It may or may not have a fence with a lock on it, but if they didn't want us to get in, they wouldn't have left the gate to the side open.
Fine. We're doing this.
We're doing it. Come on, let's go. This is what makes great video.
Cara,
Girls in trouble, girls causing bad mischief.
I don't know, Cara. If we get arrested, I don't know her.
I'm gonna use her as bait and say, look, one day my friend, Mr. Popo. Now you see, why would you make the gate be this open if you didn't want us to go in? That over there has a little lock. We don't care about that. But seriously, you have to be important like us to be able to get in here. Oh, this is gonna be great. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a tale we shall tell people. Do you remember when we broke into and we went to jail in St. Vincent and the Grenadines? We shouldn't film him because he's a partner in crime. Whoop, more steps. Look at the view. Oh yeah, this is so worth it. This is the kind of things that Eddie is always saying, Cara, don't do things like this. I'm so happy that I'm breaking the rules to be.
She's gonna get me in a lot of trouble, guys.
The salt pines in Oea is an ocean-fed bathing pool surrounded by huge volcanic rock formations.
It used to be rocks and water between them. A lot of it. Back up to that.
Wow.
Since the eruption,
Yeah.
ash filled it all in.
It's here because we're rule breakers, we're rebels. Don't listen. People tell us don't do something. Now I'm gonna go swim. The volcano ash. It's like quicksand. How many people can do this? St. Vincent. The pond itself was formed when the lava erupted from Soufriere, met the sea and cooled instantly, many, many thousands of years ago. The experience of swimming in the water surrounded by abstract sculpture garden was breathtaking. Eddie would have liked it. Eddie would have loved it. Eddie, you would have loved it. Yeah, with a bear.
I searched long and hard for a penis-shaped rock.
But then you brought the smallest penis shape rock there is. Oh, you're right. It is white.
Look, if you hold it up to the camera, it looks really big, like, oh.
Look, take it away, put it back.
Anyway.
Yeah, that's maybe it's too small. I think this one is a bit too small. We need something a little bit bigger.
All right, you find one.
Yo, what's the girl gotta do to get served here? We can't get no damn service at this bar. This is terrible.
Sorry. Yeah.
Seriously.
We're driving away from the scene of the crime. We got away with it. We didn't get arrested unless the ice cream man turned us in.
We're going to see the lights. We're going to see the lights. This woman makes magic happen. We had a visit to a spectacular holiday light show. These people were hit so hard by both a volcano eruption and a hurricane just a few months apart, but yet created a magical display of lights for all to enjoy.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
Okay, so this right here, it's Madonga bakes, and we have in it.
And then saltfish.
See that bite right there? That's from my mouth. Coming around and pose, girl. Makes you so happy.
I can't wait to visit my friend again. And maybe next time, we'll let Eddie come along. Thanks for watching from the Crabby Captain and the Sunny Sailor. Woo-woo! We appreciate you coming to watch our videos. And if you'd like to see more, some uncensored stuff, behind the scenes stuff, and stuff that we just can't show on YouTube, then check out our Patreon page. Become a Patreon supporter and you get all the good stuff that we just can't show on other platforms. Check it out. Become a patron today. Our videos are also available on Vimeo. Yes, even uncensored stuff. You can get our past seasons and current seasons commercial free.